Hi, my name is Eric Jamison, Midwest Area Sales Manager for Lyco Manufacturing. In 2022, the U.S. pork industry produced over 28 billion pounds of pork, supporting over 600,000 jobs in the U.S. Pork harvest and further processing plants require a lot of water during processing. Here at Lyco, we are the recognized leader for helping food processors efficiently solve their liquid-solid separating needs in the pork industry. Today, we're shipping 3 external flow screens that'll be going into a pork harvest plant. These units are designed to separate solids from pork wastewater. Lyco has over 30 years of application experience using screens, and we now have over 2,200 installations in North America. Externally fed screens work best for harvest and further processing plants that have a lot of hair, fats, oils, and greases, where an externally fed screen fits the application better than internally fed screens. Our external screen design is ideal for total plant wastewater and helps reduce BOD, TSS, and TKN, recovering more solids for rendering, which in turn improves your revenue. Before these units ship, I'd like to highlight a few of the unique benefits of Lyco's externally fed screens. The entire design has been built with precision, heavy-duty construction for both the main frame and main drum for lowest cost of ownership. The doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen, which makes our design very efficient. All of our externally fed screens are built with wedge wire, and the typical openings for these screens are between 20 thousandths to 40 thousandths opening. Wedge wire is more efficient and less apt to plug than perforated plates. Cleanout valves for cleaning out the head box are optional. And finally, the control panel is mounted right on the unit for easy installation. So, if you have any liquid-solid separation needs, feel free to visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.